Okay, I'm always a little bit worried about using these kind of glued boards because usually these will bend. Not so much to this direction, but to this direction. Here you can already see that it's not straight anymore. To prevent that, I'm going to use these kind of U-shape aluminium profiles, and I will just screw these here. Here I have to make something that I can lift it up easily. Oh, now there's nothing, so it's pretty hard with one hand at least. Okay, now I will make the hole for the subwoofer. Maximum diameter of the subwoofer it's 275, so I make this hole about 280 millimeters. The most important thing is that this hole here is exactly in the same place than the hole in the subwoofer box. And to get that right, I will drill hole. I will first measure, of course, the middle point, and then I will drill the hole which is going through this board and also through this subwoofer box. I also want to have this terminal exactly in the middle. Looks very good. I just hope that these measurements are right for the subwoofer. I looked those from their website, so I should be right. And 82.6 is the depth, and this is 88. It should fit, and there's still about 5 millimeters space. In this subwoofer there is no ventilation for the voice coil. In the bottom there is no hole, so it doesn't matter if it's close to this bottom. Yeah, well, and again, only subwoofer is missing. I might have enough carpet, this carpet, for the rest of the subwoofer box. That would be great. I will leave here a little bit extra, not too much. I'm a little bit worried that this box will sing itself. This bottom is not so bad because of the carpet there, and also this is also going to be carpet here, so it will help a little bit. I'm going to use this kind of alubutyl pieces here inside the box all over, so hopefully that will help. And I'm going to use these kind of small pieces, so it's easier to put there. It sounds much better already. It's much lower, this sound. But it's not finished yet. Before I can put the rest of this material here inside, I have to know where I can drill these holes for the subwoofer screws. I want to have something like this under here inside, under every hole. It will also give more strength to this box. It will eat a little bit this net volume, but it doesn't matter because this is already kind of a too big box. I have to calculate that later. Maybe I even have to put some wood blocks inside that this volume will be the right. But before I can drill these holes, I need the subwoofer. I still don't have it. I can't even glue this carpet here. Drilling these holes for the screws, it would be nightmare if there's a carpet. I just have to wait the subwoofer. Okay, just a small change to my plan. I was going to use this carpet, the rest of this carpet, for the subwoofer box. I decided that I'm going to use it here. This is a little bit too short. It's stretching, and I hope I can stretch it enough that it will fill the whole part. It is a little bit risky move, but I will do it. It's not perfect, but I think it's pretty good. I hope this glue will hold this carpet. Okay, I think it's pretty fine now. One thing what I don't know yet is the subwoofer going to fit here inside. It should fit. I hope their measurement is right in their website.